Hey everybody, Drew here, and you're in the shop with this 2008 Toyota Prius. Of course, this will apply 2004 through 2009. I'm doing the blower motor because it'll just be like, it makes this like crazy sound like there's a squirrel stuck in it flipping out, which is probably what happened originally. But anyways, I thought I would stop and show you guys what to do. So the first thing is you should know how to take your glove box off. But if you don't, there's these tabs here and here. You just squeeze this outer edge of the glove box so these tabs make it past here, and then this guy right here, one of these two holes on it go around this tab that's right here. So you take that off, and then the glove box just snaps off of these hinges. As you see there, they're just snap on. So the glove box is out of the way, and then the bottom piece there, you see this tab right here and that tab right there. Those lock in right where my finger is, and there is these foam covered shafts that go into that square hole there, and then in that slot there. The bottom thing comes off, and then there's just two 10mm bolts, or screws more rather. This wire's in the way, and it's like 0 degrees in my shop, 0 Fahrenheit, or it feels like it anyways, maybe 20. So this wire's hard to move, but take that one off, and then it's just got that little, similar to the other thing there, that little slot that fits in that hole there. And now you're stuck with what looks like you got to replace this whole piece. You do not at all. There's a screw here, here, and there in the back corner, there in that corner, and you just got to take that wire clip, which I'm going to see if I can actually get my arm in there and show you. That guy just comes off like that, okay? Now I just got to get those screws out, and I'll show you, but this bad boy opens without taking apart any of the dashboard. And what I did is I just took my ratchet and I put a screw bit in a 1/4-inch socket to get in there. So I'm gonna take off those last two screws, open this bad boy up, and show you what's next. Just FYI, there is one more screw I missed. Sorry, it's right there. And with that final screw out, you should be able to just grab the bottom of this. Probably a 3-hand job, but this bottom cover comes right out, easy peasy. And then the blower motor itself is only held in by a couple of, you can see right there, what looks like Torx bits. Yeah, Torx bits, easy peasy. So we'll put one of those in the same screwdriver gizmo, and then it's just plugged in right there, and the fan comes out. The new one goes in the same way the old one came out. All right, so those what I called Torx bits, they are Torx bits, and they use the same standard size that like construction screws use, but they do also work with an 8mm. So I did remember correctly. So now that this guy's out, look at that. The back is shattered. That's awesome. No idea how that happened, but you guys know where that one goes now. See you later. Goodbye. Okay, so I'll get one out of my parts car. It goes back in just as easy as the old one came out. Guys, this is literally like a 10-minute job. Don't pay some mechanic like, I don't know, Toyota would probably want $1,000 to do this. You just saw me do it in a couple minutes. So hopefully this video is helpful. If it is, do please give it a thumbs up. Remember, that's what tells the internet these videos are useful. I try to keep them short and to the point. I also try to entertain you a little bit. That's probably not this video, but check out the other ones if you want to giggle or learn something, whatever. Appreciate you guys watching. God bless you. See you in the next one, and be sure to subscribe. Take care. Bye.